Here we are this morning with our Phoebe. Hello, Phoebe. Oh. My teeth clean? You like cleaning my teeth. There's food in there. That's my beak. You got a beak? I got a beak. Dotty. Dotty's here with me. I'm giving Dotty a cuddle. He's getting a cuddle, and Fishy's getting a cuddle. And Phoebe, you're a little girl, but you're kind of powerful. See? And it said, okay, she's going down. Check out. She's taking out. Okay. She decided to, well, she decided to check out the dogs. And she's eating Dotty's fur. Maybe she wants to make a little nest in there. Eh? You're just eating you. You're not too sure, are you, Dots? No, just a little twitch, didn't. Eh? Eh? She wants to come and explore you. That's it. Don't be upset. I'm not gonna hurt you. Hey, look at that eye. She's not too sure. Baby's feeling relaxed. Here. Oh no, you can't make a nest. You want to smell her? No. Yeah, this is very important. Okay, you've been making friends through the cage, and now you're kind of friends here. Oh my goodness. And this is probably the first time Dotty has had this encounter with Phoebe, apart from in the cage. There you go, baby. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. She's loving you. She's loving you. Want me to take her away? Come on, Phoebe. She doesn't want to go. She loves you. She's bonding with you. Hey, are you bonding with her? Good girl. Hey, I know. You're feeling uncomfortable. I'll take her, but she just want to make a nest in you. Oh my gosh, come. There we go. Oh, you're drooling. I don't think it's a good idea. Okay. That was a first. Come on. You have to take it for some food. Okay? Come on. I put some food in your cage. There we go. That was a busy morning, wasn't it? There we go. There we go. Here. I'll put food up here for you, okay? Don't poop in it, though. There you go. I know. You had some fun. Yeah, come and eat your seed.